Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the batteries and connection. Charge the case to at least 50% and each AirPod above 20% so you isolate software problems from pure depletion. Once done, cut Bluetooth on other devices to remove pairing conflicts and nearby interference. Next, do a quick reset by placing both AirPods in the case and holding the setup button for about 15 seconds until the amber then white light appears. This forces a fresh handshake with your phone and clears transient firmware glitches. Now you run controlled diagnostics and updates to find the cause. First, make sure firmware is current using your iPhone's device page. Updates can fix battery management. Next, perform a battery drain test. Play audio at around 70% volume for 30 to 60 minutes while noting percent drop. This reveals uneven cells or phantom drains. Finally, recalibrate by fully charging both the case and AirPods, then fully discharging them once. Recalibration can correct battery reporting errors and restore Finish with targeted fixes. If problems persist, forget and repair the AirPods on every device and even reset network settings to remove hidden connections that wake the buds. Make sure the charging contacts are clean. Use a 70-90% isopropyl swab and dry them. Poor contact causes partial charges. If one bud depletes faster, swap left/right usage and run mono tests to determine if a single cell or driver is faulty. If none of this helps, a battery service or replacement is the next step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.